sir, as 8 people were killed in Uttar Pradesh's Lakshmipur Kheda, the authorities have uh, the UP additional Chief Secretary Avasthi has asked the authorities, airport authorities, to stop the Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupet Singh Baghel and
No, I am also now going to Lucknow to attend some TV channel conclave, and I also would like to go to Lakhimpur Kheri to show solidarity with the people who have been killed over there and who were really murdered by the Union Minister's son. He had mowed them down with his car. The car was in the Union Minister's name. They were shot, and it's a heinous crime. And so far, the arrests have not been made. And I'm sure that if the investigation is done by the Uttar Pradesh police, that investigation will not be fair. It will be completely biased. It is high time that the Modi government withdraws these 3 farm laws, and he should remove this minister who gave a provocative speech few years ago, which led to this incident of killings of the. And unfortunately, a journalist also has been murdered. So, from our side, we demand that this should be given to a sitting High Court judge or a Supreme Court judge, and that inquiry should be monitored by them. The government should pay ex gratia to the people who have been murdered by the BJP Union Minister's son, and they should be given a government employment. But why is the government stopping politicians and political parties' heads to go and visit that place? And I am also going to Lucknow to attend a TV conclave program, and I also have the intention to go over there. So it is highly condemnable. It is the responsibility of the Yogi government. They have failed in it. Basically, the Chief Minister has indulged in this policy of thok do. And that is why all these people have been emboldened to take law into their own hands. And now we have seen poor farmers who were protesting peacefully have been murdered, and the government is responsible for that. Thank you.